It's so easy to whip up a batch of these blender banana muffins. They're loaded with wholesome ingredients. Get started by lining a 12-hole muffin pan with paper cases. Put your oats, almond meal, coconut and baking powder in a blender and blend until well combined. Next, add the eggs, bananas, maple-flavoured syrup and yogurt. Pulse until the mixture is just combined. Then pour the batter into a lined muffin pan. Sprinkle with extra oats and a little cinnamon. Pop the muffins in the preheated oven and bake for 25 minutes. To test they're cooked through, insert a skewer into the centre. If the skewer comes out clean, they're ready. Transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool slightly. Make these good-for-you muffins, then freeze them ahead for an afternoon snack or breakfast on the go.